stop and then for my cat okay subscribe. Yeah. This one you can't. Don't catch. No. Okay, back. Ngomlahlela le. Yabo kusewe.
Hey, man.
Green.
Yeah.
Green.
Okay.
Back from it. Yes, one
Two diamond Q ni nayo.
Sus, umbeka lapho ivela kahle. Cause
Nah.
ulithetha right bro. Tanya kutshela ukuthi Diamond Pro yokushinisa tire le moto. And ngizobona guys ngifuna ukunivlog mangifika lapha ngento. Uzocomplain ngithi Iron Pro. No, they know you iba weird. Iron Pro. Uklina mataro ka. So ke moto. Ngikhokhela di ecathulweni zami. Ngambona since sihlela le Easter affair.
What's on the steak?
Ake re kwena Easter yakhe. What's good YouTube?
Ingozi. Danger.
It's a boy petrosificationalism of the yeah guys, listen, in today's video, I don't know, but I'll be vlogging again my day, another day. I'm talking about can we tell some person that but as I'm going to wash and I'm so sure order the order basically food anything has to come to the world. Yeah, and then yeah, I'll see what happens in jail. But that's when you see by the title of the thumbnail, you know what type of video this is. So like, comment, share, subscribe, watch until the end. Yeah.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Petrosificationally Ngiyafala mfana.
Walanchi.
Okay, listen guys, ngoba isale order ne. Ngifuna ukunibonisa nani ukuthi okay, not only ukuthi sisebenza ngephepha kuphela na, nange-Bolt sir. Phamisa mobu man. Oh. Sharp. Nothing. Order guys. Izenziyeza. Yabo.
It's stop and then for my cat fella. Stop. Okay subscribe. Yeah. Put the camera le cat. Now
Yeah. Sure.
What's up?
Yeah.
Boy, yes. Still back.
Okay, fair.
Go knee like it.
Yeah. Shop it.
Yeah.
Ungapeki phela. Yeah.
Oh, you can't laugh me at this. That's good.
Yeah.
If I can tell you the kind of food. Now, what time you make a mistake? I always call you. So look, this one you can't. Don't catch. No. Okay, back. That's like Uje back. Ngomlahlela le. Yabo kusewe.
Hey,
Banna.
Tell us something.
Hey, baba.
Hey, Banna.
Ay, mbonisa na check katla.
Oh, ngathi.
Ay, nathi mina. Ready?
Sure, thank you.
So the card line. Abon, nahlangene. So mina ngizokhipha le card lakho.
Sure.
Okay. Ngibheke. Alikhuluma loud card lakho.
3 of spades.
3 of spades.
Ikaw yung kanjani? Great. Great.
Ngibhekile kahle card lakho.
Awe.
You said.
Usigizika nje kathubona.
Okay.
Back Ronald.
Yeah, khohla phone. Veza mina first. Thank you.
Ngiyezwa kanjani?
Wena ubheki malanga.
Okay, so
Wena nekhamera nimele
Whoa,
nibone.
singitsho cha.
Yeah, and then wena nekhamera nimele nibone.
No, mina necamera. Bona wena kuphela.
Because of ngishaya ama-3.
Igama
Gibela
awu
phezulu.
lokuthi khona isibili emvakithi.
Akunas
Isibili la isibili.
Yeah, that's why I bought.
What is this big cup isibili?
Bakaphe kuzobonana. That's why ngime ngapha kithi.
Okay,
Yeah,
singitsho.
ngime ngapha. Yeah. So cela u2 we-diamond emuva. Ungawubheki ngiyangena.
Mina ngabheki.
Yeah.
2 diamonds.
Two diamond,
Into bambe la,
two
into bamba
diamond.
la, 2 diamond.
Ngicela u-Q we-heart emaphakathi anyway.
Emaphakathini la ngifuna
Yes. Ungabhayisi. Wena linto bamba lapho. Ngicela u9 we-fly phambili. Ngitheni?
2 diamond.
Yeah.
9.
Q.
Q.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
2 diamond Q ni 9.
Sus bheka lapho ivela kahle.
Mm.
Cause
Nah.
Bathi nabo vele bezonda sika ngelokho maka nathi uyakuphika sika yebathi vili liyajika sonemali sika funa ukukunika sika nabo vele bezonda sika ngelokho maka nathi uyakuphika sika yebathi vili liyajika sonemali sika funa ukukunika sika bopha sika bopha sika bopha sika bopha sika bopha sika Ubuya kane like kanji Cho Bathi nabo vele bezonda sika ngelokho maka nathi uyakuphika sika yebathi vili liyajika sonemali sika funa ukukunika sika nabo vele bezonda sika ngelokho maka nathi uyakuphika sika yebathi vili liyajika sonemali sika funa ukukunika sika bopha sika bopha sika bopha sika bopha
Ngiwani namhlanje futhi. Ngiwani futhi. Hawu. Dumela masifaka. Phela today kwana mreki. Yeah, hayi nihleke ningambambi inkunzi ubroke. Ubroke maka today uyumreki yabo. Thingihle ne. Ngifundisa ne strategy. Hey. Wow. Strategy real quickly. Hey. Yeah. Oh, ayangipha. Thatha ngenza nje. Sisibhekele into engidlayo hawu. Ala sihloga. Kusa matho he. Ah. Okay. Wala kenge kilumangi. Aku sebisa. Nada. Siyabonga maka mreki. Baka eng. Yeah? Why? Akzaka de khadi. Yo. Yasho sihlale la. Yasho jaya. Kene. Ibase babuthe babhekile yini. Kumbe. Yeah. Hey, mina mashini yakhamera wena. Sikothenga bese lo muntu ungani wami. Ndoda. Osala. Come on, Chess. Come on, Tanya. Ngisatesta riding le feda ba. Asingizibona. Abona bangithengise. Nabona bangithengise iron in le. Fanta orange. Fanta penny. Fanta penny. Bangithengise Fanta orange phela mamathatha bathi nithi yenza iron brew.
Tanya kutshela ukuthi iron brew yokushinisa itayera lemon. Then le orange yamashangane. Mina ngiyamtshela ngimnika advice. Kholi yebhodlela. Coke. Nangithengela manje. Yo.
Mina ngithi no.
Yo uthenge 2. Hayi indoda. Uyoyenzani lamakhulu?
Hayi upalisa ukuthumi iron brew.
Uthumi uyoqalisa.
Iron brew. Iron brew. And then ngithengisa orange.
Bathumi iron brew. Iron brew ugama la.
Mtshayele lo akakabhilive ngenzani?
Iron brew. Shayinisa amatayera wemoto.
Then Fanta orange yamashanga.
Fanta orange yamashanga.
So untanga sazi ukuthi which is which.
My friend,
Coke yebhodlela.
please give me a grape here. Grape.
Yeah, you see grape is for us black people.
Please.
The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice.
Grape. Alpethu uyabona wine and then uzobona guys ngifuna ukunivlog mangifika lapha ngento. Uzocomplain ngithi iron brew. Bathi iron brew yo. Eh? Give me continue here.
Pineapple. Yeah, nigga.
Yabona bathi angithi ayoclean amatayera i-iron brew. So sho ukuthi cabanga ayoclean amatayera thina masiphuza. So ngithengi that's why ngifuna nayo ukubonisa just le video mangangilwisa. Ubonisa le video ukuthi that's why ngithenga le yelo ne. Agents. My God. Okay guys, so ngifuna ukuthi uzocomplain ne. Yeah, so ngizo-actor noma sorry. Yeah, so that's why mina guys ngisho ukuthi iLion ngawina sani kune cheat. Ngitshela mina. Kiyena coach. Come on. No, they don't you even weird. Don't kill the situation. You weird. You weird though. Don't like for real. Before my man. Oh my man. I cover why, but he cover why.
Why?
Oh, I cover why. It's impossible. Nah, everything. My face. Palisa mfethu sida makanga ngibukelisa nga ikarate kit ngibukelisa iJerusalem yizo okay waqaba wakerekile cause ngicela ukuhlangana nabantu bangitshela ukuthi iiron pro ayuklina vele makwaqava ngithi ayuklina amatako ekara so imagine mayingena emzimbeni ayuklina amatako emoto yo yabona bafethi sa control uyangicontrola fatafi ngiki so badla jakotaka so jakota utsa uyiji kota tana ki yikhole teng shaba ya kahle it's nangoke sorry if I got up
Utsile lona.
yaphumanga nekota yini
Utsile lona. Nkayenza mkota kizile mara.
That's why no awakho.
Nekuzwetsa fela wa ka go.
Eka kota ka ni.
Akitse.
Para sa ki manage.
Inga.
Sa yanyanyiso ya po.
Akitse fela.
Ke ifa kota mga pero para sa sa.
Akitse.
Ika kota yaka. Akatali ka kana. Tani vai kota ya mga mampero pa.
Ay, petele. Usa dito kaya mo. Aka inga.
Lechale. Dai kota ya. At you feel ko buwan ba kas. That's what. Ano ba tingin?
Nene kita.
For camera.
Why?
Well, we back. Keep sharp. Sharp chance. Utsini tikbheke le. Promise skip. Promise skip. Promise. Sure. Yeah, paluteli. Promise skip on some. Oshalo schat. Nazal bushai.
Makaniti na. Makanaw siya.
Escolet bazotin mashalo schat. Mix. Shay escolet.
Ay, nglawa.
No, porregela di ecatsule zami. Nambona guys uporegile. Guys, what's happening? Come on today. Max. She's gonna sleep the whole day. Like him. It's like left vlog Lena, it's a normal day.
Maybe I might do a video.
Maybe she might do a video on YouTube, she doesn't know. But since it's still like the Easter affair, I was so.
What's my name?
I can't go on Easter egg. Can you put my Easter egg? Can you put my Easter egg? Kisah pakai wena. My Easter egg. Ah, guys, Easter egg yamilele no. Tando. Ayo. Yeah. How about you? What's it, Jaya? Eating some country corn.
Yeah.
Let me see the trip.
Imali ngikhola baba.
Utsini ntwana. Utsini ntwana.
Yo, imali ngikhola.
Wena tete.
Wena tete.
Wenza malini from the content?
Ngizokuma 5 rand man.
Afi Thando. Wenza malini from the content?
US dollar.
Okay.
Unoshaya malini ngecontent wena?
Obvious, like must I calculate like per month or per week. It's from 3 cents, yeah. Couple of cents. Oh, muntu broke. That's donate that.
Namhlanje kuyimande kanje kusasa niyabuka nesikolweni nabanye.
And that's in UK, I'm sorry. University of Kasi. She say University of Chiganela.
Endoda, ngoba siganale lesesinamabhaza.
Hey, nothing shy about my second year. Oh. My friend, also shy cashback there. Cashback there.
Hey, my friend, word of the day.
Word of the day, man.
Word of the day.
Subscribe, man. Hey, man. Don't put to the board. Short tweet. Don't bachelor never subscribe. About something.
Show my chimbos.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Oh, I'm a chimbos and subscribe in that. But when Petro has
Subscribe it now, Papi. You Petrogas. Yeah, guys, yo. Kawangan is 13. Nowhere to be found. Hey. Sazo kama yo. Milisekas. Ngamoto. But if it's mailing and planners, guys. Subscribe. Let's get 100k subs. Guys, subscribe there. Oh. This is the end of the video, you see. If you like, comment, share and subscribe. The video today in J. Bengana order. Bengana direction. Nama ngazi ukuthi le video ngani. So ningazibuzi nani kuma comment section ukuthi athi le video ngani ngoba nama ngazi.
Also don't know.
Yeah. See you in the next vlog.
Comment and do it.
Yeah, sharp.